Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Aishwarya, yoga teacher and practitioner from India, bringing you yoga practices all the way from its birthplace. Today, we're going to be seeing some yoga practices that is going to help with your anxiety. Anxiety happens because we are mentally living in the future, worrying about what is going to happen. That is something that is not in our control. What we are capable of doing is being and experiencing what is there in our present. So we're going to do some practices that bring our breath, our mind and our body towards the present moment. Let's get started. Let's start by lying down on the back and hugging the knees into your chest. So hug the knees in. Imagine you're giving yourself a deep hug and gently rock from side to side. Give your body a safe space to be in. Remind yourself that you're safe in your body, in the place that you're in right now. In this moment, you're completely safe. Give your body that hug it needs. Gently rock from side to side and try to slow down your breathing. Slowly and gently roll over to one side and lie down, and slowly press yourself up to a seated position. Come to a comfortable seat like Sirsasana. A lot of people experience tightness in the chest and difficulty to breathe when they're having an anxiety attack. So we're working on just that. This is not a medical advice, but it helps you through an anxiety attack. Yeah, so sit comfortably and bring your awareness to your belly. As you inhale, expand and open the belly, and as you exhale, release the belly back down. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, bring the belly back down. Now let's close our eyes and do it. If you fear closing your eyes, you can continue to keep your eyes open. No rules there. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, slowly bring the belly back down. Lower your hands to the lower abdomen. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale and slowly bring the belly back down. One more time. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale and slowly bring the belly back down. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale and slowly bring it back down. Relax. The next one is also going to be a gentle pranayama. It's called the Ujjayi breath. Imagine that you're going to fog up a mirror. So what do? You make this hushing sound with your throat and you do right? Do it with me. Okay. Now do the same sound with your mouth closed. You might hear it in your ears like an ocean wave. So take a deep inhale through your nose, constrict the throat. Do you hear it? So make your exhales as long as possible. This will help your mind and your body become calmer. So sit comfortably, maybe against a wall or like me. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Constrict the throat and exhale. One more time. Keep going. Keep listening to the sound of the wave in your ears and your exhales becoming longer and longer. Do a couple more breaths. Very gently open your eyes. Okay. Let's do a few movements that will help us through this phase. Turn around and come into Baddha Konasana, bringing the soles of the feet together to touch. I'm just going to hang my head here. If you're very comfortable, you can hold it this way, or you can release your hands down and fold over your feet and relax here. 1, 2, 3. Try to relax with each exhale, going a little deeper into the pose. 4, 5, 6, 7. See how your body relaxes, your hip relaxes, knees relax down to the floor. 7 and 8. Inhale and gently come back up. From here, we stretch the right leg in the front, keep the left leg close to us for Janu Sirsasana, and slowly again fold forward over the right leg. Relax here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently come back, stretch the left leg and bend the right. Inhale, straighten the spine and exhale, fold forward over the left leg, folding over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and slowly come back up. From here, cross the legs and come into a tabletop position. Over here, I want you to bring the chin and chest down for a puppy dog pose, and then bring the palms to face up. I'm turning the palms away from each other. I just want you to focus on trying to bring the chin and chest down on the floor, expanding the chest. Stay here for a few more breaths. Release any tightness in the chest.
Slowly bring the forehead down on the floor. Bring the hands back and lift up back into tabletop position. Just to expand the chest a little bit more, I want you to bring the right leg forward outside the right palm and push your hips front. Slowly lift up. Over here, I'm going to take my hands to the side and imagine I'm opening the chest and arching the back. So open and imagine you're taking the elbows towards your back. So bring the elbows back and down, really opening the chest. I'm not hanging the neck back. Neck stays neutral. 2, really feel the expansion on your chest area. 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back and down. Let's repeat the same thing on the other side. Bring the right leg back, left leg in the front. Pushing the hips front first, stabilizing yourself here. Lift the hands up, arch back. 1, 2, feel free, open the chest well. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly relax back. Release back into child's pose and relax here. Stay here for a few more moments. Remember, you have all the strength to face anything that comes in front of you. Remember all the times you faced it in the past and you overcame it. Whatever you're going through right now is very similar, and you'll come out feeling stronger like you did before. Slowly lift up and come to a seated position. Last one. This is called a psychological sigh, which is going to exhale through our mouth here. You'll inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, completely letting go of anything you're holding on to. Alright, so follow me. Release your palms to your thighs. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth like you're giving out a deep sigh. You can even letting out a sighing sound like this. Like that. Take a deep inhale again. Observe how with each inhale your body is actually stiffening, and with each exhale your body itself is relaxing. You can close your eyes and continue. Deep inhale, exhale with a sigh. Take a deep inhale. Stay with your eyes closed and observe how you feel in your body. Becoming more present about your time and your experience in the now matters more than things that you aren't in control of. Stay for a few more moments and observe your breathing now and how it's different from the start of the session to now. Maybe it's a little smoother, maybe it's a little more deeper, and the tightness in the chest has slightly reduced.
Very, very gently open your eyes. Thank you all for joining me in today's practice. I hope you had a wonderful session and a more calming one. I'll see you again in another video.